So the customer states that his remote for the key, for the doors is not working. And yeah, what I noticed is, so I pulled codes and found that this RFA module is offline. And then when you disconnect this thing, the RFA goes online. So this wiring here is for the CAN bus and it's short to ground. So I strip apart the trims here, check for the wiring harness here at the trunk. It's good. And then I'm having a hard time. I have a hard time pulling this seat out because it's not working. So I energize the motor. Well, yeah, I managed to pull it out. And so strip this thing, check for the harness, and found this. There. So this wire is for the RFA, remote function actuator. So I remove this thing. This is harness for the doors, rear door, for the doors, rear door, front door, and this one goes to the head unit. And I managed to pull this trim out, and yeah, this thing. This is the CAN bus line for the RFA. So if you're having a problem with the module offlines, you might have a problem with this kind, like this, right? Okay, so I already put back all the trims, connect this thing, and connect the connectors, wiring harness connector for the RFA. Because I already repaired the wiring harness for the CAN bus line. So we're gonna try it if the remote control is gonna work. Make sure that all the doors is closed. Closed. This thing is closed. 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 Now connected. Gonna try this remote. Oh, sorry. I have to close this thing. Oh. Perfect. There we go. So that's it. It's done. It was fixed and the remote control is now working.